Hey, thanks for joining us. This is the Power Prop Flying Gliders. This is the Mustang MK2. We're going to build it, fly it. There's the others. There's 12 in the set. There's your instructions. Let's get her out of there and put it together. There's your parts. Alright, let's build it. We got to punch out the slots so we can put the wing and the elevator in. There's your elevator. Slips in that slot right there. Not easy to get these in there. Center it up. There we go. Now the wing. Curved part goes in the front now. Easy, don't bend anything. Center it up. There we go. I think we got it centered. There's your nose piece. Fits on the front right here. Here's the propeller and the shaft to hold it on. Slips right in there. It's not easy to get in there, but it will. I think we got it now. Alright, there's your plane. Let's do some indoor flights and see how it flies. It's real light, may not be very good outside, but we'll try both places. That's a pretty good little flight in the house. We don't have any wind in here. That's not bad. Kind of veered off to the right, hit the fireplace. That's a good flight. One more time. That's a good one. Let's take it outside now, see how it does. Here you are. Now look at the wind blowing. Gotta be, may not get very good flights out here with that wind blowing like that, but we'll see what we can do. Calm down, wind. Okay, let's try it. That's not a bad flight. That's a pretty good one. Remember, these are real light. One more time. All right, we got more of these coming. Stay with us.